Hi and welcome back to the channel. So I just have to share this recipe with you. It's a palm oil chicken stew. Do you know that there are some people that cannot eat like groundnut oil or other forms of vegetable oil apart from palm oil? Anyway, like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy peasy dish. So I'll be heating up some palm oil, and then I'll be adding some green spice combination and some onions. I'm going to be sauteing that. Now my green paste has like lots of fresh herbs in them and it's just amazing. So I went ahead to add some coarsely blended tomatoes, peppers, and some onions. Give that a good stir. Add some onion powder, I know, right? And then some chicken seasoning. It's just literally good. Stir that up, and then I'll be adding my cooked chicken. Now this chicken was cooked with some spices, some herbs, and then some salt. That's why you're not seeing me add some salt again, because all the salt I need to cook this I used in cooking my chicken. So I went ahead to add some chicken stock. The stock is so flavorful, oh my goodness. Give that a good stir. Your house should be smelling of so much goodness right now. Cover that up, allow it to simmer, then check it. Give that a good stir to ensure that it's not burning at the bottom, because you know sometimes it thickens at the bottom as well. Now it's not yet ready, just stir that up, cover it up again, and allow it to simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. And once the oil starts to float at the top, fam, it is ready. This is the best chicken stew ever. The combination of the fresh herbs and all the dry herbs and spices just made it. I had mine with rice, fam. It was so good. I hope you try out this recipe and I hope you enjoy it just like I did. And this chicken wing was so good. My goodness. Thank you for going on this journey with me. Until next time, fam. Mwah!